I know you've probably had a really long, hard week. So, today, let's relax and do something that we really, really love to do. Like, let's go buy some craft supplies, yeah? Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. And yes, I've been shopping again. And this time, instead of just the Dollar Tree, I hit up Walmart because there were certain things that I have never ever seen at the Dollar Tree, so I had to pick them up at Walmart. So I will show you Walmart's first. And there wasn't much because I can generally find, or at least make up in my mind how to, interchange stuff. But anyway, this is Walmart, and right off the bat, I have some shirts that I have to make. So I grabbed some shirts, nothing special, all black, just shirts for a friend. Okay, and then I picked up a couple of these. If you haven't seen my rock art, I just absolutely fell in love with that craft. It was the first time I'd done it, and I want to do it again. So I picked up a couple of these, and I found these over in the pet supply. These are for aquariums, and look at the size of these. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These were not $1, they were $1.98, I think. But look at the colors, and they're so cute. And yes, I didn't need them. I could have used, well, you wait and see what I got at Dollar Tree, but I got these. And I have a tutorial coming up that it is also another one of those I've never done. But I needed chicken wire, or what's it called? Yeah, poultry netting. It's chicken wire. And I had never seen this at Dollar Tree, so while I was at Walmart, we went on the look, and sure enough, we had some. So, chicken wire. And that concludes the Walmart section. And yes, I did do grocery shopping and stuff like that, but yes, that's not fun stuff. Okay, so let's head on to the Dollar Tree. And yeah, 2 of these, and it's an idea. I'm not even going to try to explain it. It's just an idea. But I picked up 2 of these. They're just the little strainers, mesh strainers. Don't know if you'll ever see them again, but they're there. Okay. And they're the sticky notes. And anybody that makes videos knows what these are for. Especially if you're an old lady that forgets her name 90% of the time, you know exactly what these are for. Okay, so here we go. Spring has sprung, and I am going to take advantage of it. So I picked up one of these, and it is going to be chopped up and been folded and mutilated. But I saw a Pinterest idea, and oh my goodness, I so want to try it. So this is going to be part of it. And believe it or not, they still had some of these. And these are the little fairy garden things that they have. And I got one of each that was left. And these are the little gnomes. They have a little girl and two guys. And see how tiny they are? These, I think, will be perfect for what I have in mind. They have a snail, an owl, and a turtle with a frog on its back. A bird bath with a ladybug. A watering can, I think, I'm not sure if that's a ladybug or a snail. And a little wagon with a bird on it. The mushrooms, a flower. This is a water spigot with a bird. But these are so cute and so tiny. Perfect size. This is a lamppost, a welcome sign, and a little birdhouse. So these are definitely going to show up in tutorials coming up. And like I said, I love spring. I love flowers. I just love everything. I love craft supplies, even if I don't use them. I love them. Alright. These were hard. And these, my husband actually walked away. Okay, so I had to have 4 of the 4-inch pots. They had this one, which was fine. And then they had 3 packages. And the reason these are already open is all 3 packages had broken pots in them. One, both pots were broken. The other one had 1 pot that was not broken. And the last one had also 1 pot that was not broken. So I opened one, put the unbroken pot in this one, put the 2 broken pots together, and made sure that they were nice and neat so they didn't get all over everything. And as my husband wandered away, he does that to me, like, oh, you're embarrassing me. Let's not do this. So, I got the cocoa liner and the basket. This is, and if you've been on Pinterest at all, you know exactly what I'm going to be doing here. What does this remind you of? Yeah. Yes, exactly. So, I got the basket, the cocoa liner, and the pots, and the chicken wire. Just keep that in mind. And this is a big one for me anyway. So, in the garden section of the stores, they're not quite out yet. They usually start filling up in May. So I couldn't find any real succulents. So, but Dollar Tree did not let me down. So they had these, the faux succulents. So I picked up what they had left. And these are very popular items because I was lucky to get this many. But I picked these up, and like I said, that's all they had left, so it will do. And yes, it goes with the basket, the pots, the cocoa liner. Is it coming together for you yet? Okay. Oh my goodness. And look at this. Spanish mouse, reindeer mouse. The green stuff. It's very flexible, easy to work with. Still makes a mess, but I love it dearly. And look at these. Okay, so I got some of the blue. These are like marbles. These are the round ones. And in the blue color, I got somewhere in here the green ones. Aren't these pretty? I have actually in a couple tutorials that I want to try with these, but they just shine so pretty. I got some more of just the regular river rock types, and they have some good sized ones. They have some little tiny ones. I think these is what I need for those ideas that are stuck in my head. You know me. And then some more of the regular black ones. So, I know it didn't take long, and it looks like a lot. It's not really, but for me, I usually run down by 5 or 6 items. This was a big haul. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some ideas, and I gave you some hints and clues of what's coming up. And I really hope you enjoy these little things. I love sharing with you. And if you do, hit the subscribe button. That way it's basically so you can keep track of me, because I can't keep track of myself. If you like the videos, even if you don't like the videos, hit the like or dislike, but always leave me a comment saying, oh, you just ramble so much. I know, that's my biggest complaint. You just talk too much. Donna, that's me. I can't stop this mouth. So, anyway, I hope you had a really good week, and I really hope to see you soon. And I'm going to have to say goodbye now and shut up. Bye-bye-bye.